In this video, you'll learn how to create a festive origami leprechaun hat just in time for St. Patrick's Day. Why not make a leprechaun finger puppet? So let's grab some green paper and get started. Begin with a rectangular piece of paper. Fold it in half lengthwise. Fold it in half again. Now open the last fold and notice the crease in the middle of the paper. Take one corner from the folded side and fold it to the middle crease, pressing down firmly. Now do the same thing on the other side to create a point at the top. Fold the open rectangle at the bottom, flip your hat over, and fold the other rectangle up too. Your hat is now complete and ready to wear. These origami hats can be made in any size to fit anyone. Looking for more fun and engaging St. Patrick's Day activities? Well, it must be your lucky day. Why not start with our free leprechaun hunt activity? Just click the link in the description below to get started. Head over to our store, Educating Abroad, on Etsy and TPT. Wishing you a magical St. Patrick's Day. Bye!